guys, I'm doing Julie here with one more video. First of all, Happy New Year. 明けましておめでとうございます。Felices Neues Jahr. 新年快乐. So Happy New Year for you. And as I've been doing for a while, today is the day to do my resolution for this year. Before doing that, I think it's important that if we reflect on what we had as a resolution for last year and what we've accomplished. So my goals for 2024 were to get to 20 languages in a functional level. So it's kind of so what I wanted to do is get to A2 in Polish, Russian, Hebrew, Swedish, and Cantonese. I can't be quite sure about that because I mostly study. I don't use those languages, but what I can say is that I felt comfortable studying those languages. They're no longer a threat to me, so I'm no longer scared of studying those languages. I also wanted to get to level A1 in Arabic, Indonesian, Turkish, Finnish, and Tamil. Also, my goal number two was to learn Python and Java. Goal number 3 was to get to intermediate level in guitar. And my fourth goal was to get to the second dan in judo. Fifth level in Shodokan Aikido, or competitive sports Aikido, and get to a third kyu in karate, or Goju-ryu karate. Okay, let's see what happened here. So yeah, I think I accomplished the goal about languages. So I started to get comfortable. I mean, no longer afraid of studying Arabic, Indonesian, Turkish, Finnish, and Tamil, and I'm continuing. Unfortunately, I had to stop Python because you see what I'll be talking about that later. Why I stopped studying programming. So I stopped Python and Java. Guitar, I got to intermediate level 1, and actually it's very good that this happened because I'm feeling comfortable playing the guitar. So instead of studying to try to get more technique and try to focus on what I know and get more musical, and it turns out that now I can play by ear, which I've been doing TikTok. If you don't follow me, you can get there. You can see me playing. I've been playing every day and do some lives. And regarding Aikido, I wanted to get to level 4, 5, but I couldn't because it took me I had some trouble to become a member of the Shodokan Aikido. So that made me miss one belt test. So I got only to level 6. So I couldn't get to level 5. And in karate, I had to change dojo because I didn't feel I was making progress. So I got only to level 4. And let's see, let's relate it to this year. So goals for 2025. So I want to get to A1 in the following languages: Arabic, Indonesian, Turkish, Finnish, and Tamil. So this is something I started last year. I was studying. I struggled with materials and the method, but now I think it got stable, so I'm going to continue. And as I said before, I'm feeling comfortable studying this language, so I'm no longer afraid. I'm not afraid of the Arabic alphabet anymore. I can kind of read decently. I can read Tamil alphabet decently. So it's getting interesting. So this is my first goal. So get to the A1 level, or basic, in these languages. Goal number 2 is to get to a intermediate level in guitar. So this year I think I can do it. I even got some courses. One of which was a course, one technique I want to learn, which is sweep picking. I bought a course by a famous guitarist, Frank Gambale, from Australia. Okay, so it's goal number 2. Number 3 is to get to level 4 in Shodokan Aikido. I think I can pull it off. It's green belt. And I also want to get to level 2 in Goju-ryu karate. Level 2 is brown belt. And my other goal, which maybe is one of the reasons also because I stopped studying programming, is because I want to go to the US and do a PhD. And if you follow this channel for a while, you see that I already finished applying to Harvard and Cornell. So trying to apply to University of Texas. And basically that's it. So I think it's important when we start a year with a list like this, saying what we want to do, because we as humans, we're really lazy and we forget things easily. So what I did is I printed this list and put it somewhere where we can see it. Actually, there's also I make everybody in my family do a list like this. So my kids and my wife have a list like this, and they said it as being really useful because when you have a list like that, you focus on your goals instead of just saying, maybe I'm gonna do this and that. So, because as you know, time flies. It flies so much that I'm starting to have a white beard. So, we gotta do stuff now. Yeah, while we can, where you have a health and willing to do stuff. So that's it. So, I really like to finish this wishing you a happy year, blessed year again. I hope that you can fulfill your dreams, and please support this channel. Don't forget to like this video, to follow me here, to subscribe to this channel if you're not didn't subscribe yet. You can also be a member here to get old content. I have a lot of lives, all in Portuguese, for you who say you have trouble understanding my English, even though I think I speak quite clearly and slowly because I want people to understand me. You can also bless me on PayPal or Patreon, because on Patreon, yeah, write about stuff I've been doing. I also put out the list of all books for languages that I use there. You can also follow me on TikTok. I've been posting on martial arts, languages, music. So I've been playing the guitar there. I'm also doing live almost every day, actually. I'm doing 2 lives a day. So one playing the guitar, the other one, I started teaching Japanese real slowly, and I want to teach other languages, such as German. I could teach English to Portuguese speakers. So please don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I'm also on Twitter, or X, if you will. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.